So, good morning, children. Again, I am here to take your next biology class. So, in this class, I am going to teach you that going to continue the same lesson, that improvement in food resources. So, I am going to teach you the next topic related to this chapter, and it is belongs to the previous topic, that crop pattern. So, in that period I have explained you that mixed cropping and intercropping. So here is a third type of cropping pattern, and that is called crop rotation. Okay, so what is the meaning of crop rotation? Crop rotation is growing different crops in the same field in succession. Growing leguminous crop after growing cereal crops helps to increase soil fertility. If crop rotation is done properly, 2-3 crops can be grown in a year, and it gives a maximum profit. So here you can see clearly that crop rotation is the growing of different crops on the same piece of land in a pre-planned succession. So here you can see then one time, and it is depends on the whole year. One land over there, and after maturing the crop we can take the same land and we can grow the other crop, and it is belongs to that alternative type crop, and that is that use of that crop rotation, it is only to grow or improve the soil fertility. So here everybody have seen that legume crop, root, leaf and fruit, so it all are in rotation. So what is the meaning of legume crop? Clear? So I am going to explain you, so and what is the benefit of legume crop due to the crop rotation. So here you all have to see in the diagram, left hand side the plant is there, it is belongs to legume plant. Legume plant means it is belongs to the leguminaceae family, and all the family having legume fruits like pea and all the type of pulses. Okay, so these are called legume fruit, having legume fruit, and they are having leguminous root, and it is belongs to the leguminaceae family. So in their root there will be a inside the soil there will be a rhizobium bacteria, and these bacteria are nitrogen fixation bacteria, and whenever we are using in the crop field all the legume plants, so they can, all the bacteria can merge inside the root and develop inside the roots and convert that taproot into the legume root, and then after that root is convert into the beaded or nodulated root. So many nodules are there, beads like nodule inside that upper portion of the root of the legume plant. So here in this legume inner region, all the nitrogenous bacteria, mainly that rhizobium over there. And what is the function of that bacteria? So that bacteria are able to fix and able to that react with nitrogen, and then it will convert into that nitrogen compounds. So here that nitrites will convert into nitrate. So this nitrate is useful for the plant. So in crop rotation during the year, if we are rotate one by one according to maturity of the plant, so that after the harvesting of the crop, the total nitrogenous bacteria which are used in number inside the root, so all are give extra and then extra nourishment and extra fertility to the soil after the decomposition. Clear? So that's why crop rotation is beneficial for the farmer, and after that when fertility will increase, so we can use the same field for the cereals, any type of cereals, or next time we can use the same field for the vegetables. So whatever the green portion and whatever the leaf portion or small herb type plants, after after that picking that all the that fruits can taken by the crop, and then after all the picking up the flowers and then related vegetables, and all the green portion will again it will use for the crop field, and it will convert into the green manure. So all the crop rotation are useful for the farmer. So according to succession and according to time period of crop maturity, they can use the same field for the different type of crop, and after that it can that soil fertility will be increased. It will be beneficial for that all the crop rotation will give benefits to the related field, and there will be in that field that never ever that lacking of any type of nutrition. So that is the main benefit of the crop rotation. So here you can see the diagram and related diagram. So legume, now you all have to know legume, clear. So that gram seed, total gram seeds, and related that groundnut root, plant root, and then gram root, gram plant root. Also these plants are found in an pea, normal pea, sweet pea. So these are the example of the leguminous plant, clear. So that farmer can use time to time in a 1 year that leguminous crop, and then after cereals the same field, and then after vegetable in the same field. So all are give benefit to the crop field, and then increase the fertility of the soil. So now here you all have to see the best diagram of crop rotation. So this is the in a same year in different time according to their season, the farmer can use the different type of crop as a crop rotation.